This video is going to show you how to make a copy of the strategy note catcher that fits your classroom assignment, as well as get a shareable file so you can submit the assignment in Canvas. So after you choose the strategy note catcher and you click into it, it's going to automatically drop you into your Google Drive. I'm just waiting here for it to load up. The first thing you want to do is you want to go into the File button and make a copy so that you have your own individual copy in your Google Drive. Now, my Google Drive defaulted to a folder that I have. If you don't want the copy to drop into a folder, you can click the back button and it'll drop into your drive. And so let's do that. I'm just going to drop this copy into my drive, not into a folder. I'm going to click OK. So when this opens up, you're going to have your own individual copy. You can change the name of it by clicking into the name here in the upper left hand corner. There, now I could change the name of it, and then you're going to fill out your strategy note catcher with all the responses that you want to submit. When you're ready to submit, you're going to click the share button in the upper right hand corner. And click Get Shareable Link. I like to make sure that anyone at KPBSD with a link can view the document. You can change those options by clicking the More button and even make it available to anyone with a link. So you get to choose what fits for you. Click Save and copy that link. So when you've got it all copied, you can go back into the course itself, and there's a link to submit the assignment. And with that link, you're going to click Submit Assignment. There's a spot there to paste the link. Click Submit, and you've got your Strategies Note Catcher assignment submitted in Canvas.